So the good folks at Hibbett Sports sent me a couple packages, so I wanted to unbox them for you guys in this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the links in the description, and happy shopping. Also, if you guys haven't checked out the Hibbett Sports app, go feel free to do so. They do have raffles and launches of a lot of the new releases that end up going down. And a lot of times they have this updated so you get a preview of some of the sneakers to be releasing in the future weeks to come. You can also shop directly on the app, buy your favorite brands. So that is the app, definitely worth checking that out. But today's video, they sent 2 pairs of sneakers and I wanted to show you guys what they sent. I took the liberty to unboxing these already, so it's no surprise to me, but will be maybe to you guys. There's one box, and here is the second box. So most of you guys know what these boxes are. If you don't, this is an Adidas box, and let's go ahead and show you these first. Well, these are pretty wild. So this is a crazy looking pair of Adidas NMDs. Then this is the non-prime knit version, but you can see the plugs here are like that Joker inspired color. So you have that lime green and that purple, which is kind of a nice little touch. Then a lime green pull tab on the back. And oh, that's kind of cool too. I haven't seen that before. They have the Adidas branding right here on the side. But I figured I'd go ahead and actually give away this shoe to one of you guys out there in this video, because they already sent another pair that I'll be showing you guys that I'm going to keep. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like the video, and then leave a comment, pretty much any comment that you want, but also include the hashtag HessKicksXHS, and that's pretty much it. And then I will pick a winner at the end of the week. And just so you guys know, these are a men's 9.5 US. Also, I don't discriminate to my international viewers, and you can enter the contest as well. So the last couple giveaways I ended up doing, I had a winner in Canada, as well as one overseas in like the UK. So, I mean, it cost me an arm and a leg to ship, but it was totally worth it because I want you guys to have a fair shot out there as well. Next box that they sent is a pair of Kyrie Irvings, and this one is crazy dope. Like, this is way better in hand than in the pictures that I've seen of this shoe. So this is part of the Decades pack for those that have not seen, and this one is themed after the 1980s, and it kind of has that Tron sort of like neon vibe going on. You can see the dual paint splatter on the midsole. Then you have this crazy hypnotic pattern on the upper where you could see parts of purple underneath the blue knits. And then you can see it comes all the way up and around the shoe. So it's really a cool pattern. But then you have these crazy hits of neon here. Then it has a little bit of blue right here. Also, something that was really nice little detail is just this interesting pattern, like a little triangle pattern on the back section of the shoe. Kind of a different type of shinier material, but it adds a little bit of pop. And then also you have like a mint green midsole that kind of comes up. On the bottom, it's just black line down the middle, and you probably can't see, but the insole is actually pink as well. For those wondering, the Kyrie 4 box price is $120, and this is one of those models that I think people probably slept on quite a bit. This is definitely a model that can be worn casually as well as for performance, which is definitely one of the ones that bridges that gap. Which is something that I really like about the shoe. But yeah, this colorway in particular is fresh. I love all of the crazy little neon accents on the shoe and that crazy pattern. Just makes this shoe pop significantly more in hand than in pictures. Like, maybe it's just hypnotic where you like look like that and it just has all this craziness going on the upper. But well done to Ben, the designer of the Kyrie 4. And thank you to Hibbett Sports for sending these over my way. And for those that want to enter the giveaway for the R1s, just check the description and I will spell out the rules for you guys really simply there as well. I might actually end up doing a full detailed review on this one just for fun, or like a after the hype sort of video of the Kyrie 4s just for fun. But that's all we have for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and thank you again to Hibbett Sports. Check out their website, link in the description. Happy shopping. And once again, be sure you're subscribed to the channel, notification bell if you want to be notified of when the videos go live. Like the video if you like the video, and we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.